Hey, what's up, everybody? My name's Jamie. This is Just Go Camping, and it is a beautiful day here in Middle Tennessee. The sun is shining like crazy. There's not a cloud in the sky. And today, we are just going to sit around. We're going to build a fire. I'm working on my campsite, chopping some wood. I'm sharpening some tools, and I'm going to make a fire reflector, and we're just going to have some fun. I'm going to cook something. Don't have any beer today. I'm just going to have a cup of tea. Hang out with me. See what happens. You might learn something. Hey, what do you know? All right. Well, thanks a lot for watching and coming along with me. And I'll be with you in just a minute. Bella's here with me, y'all. Girl, you want to lay down? You can lay down over here. Go lay down. Yeah. Right there. Right there. That's good. You're a good girl. Okay. So I have to, I've got this little tool here, shaving the bark off of the trees. I've got a few logs here that I've already cut down with my chainsaw because I'm an old man. So I'm just gonna sharpen this a little bit here. I've already sharpened it. I keep it pretty sharp. This is the puck that you saw before. It's just a sharpening stone. It's got two sides, a more coarse side and then a finer side here to get to just hone the blade there, and that's the side that I'm using right now. So if you want to get into sharpening some of your, and most of you probably know how to do this, but if you want to get into sharpening your axes and tools like this and other things with a blade, your knives and whatnot, it's very simple. It's just any kind of, you know, sharpening stone will work. And, you know, if you have one of those Japanese water stones, those work really, really well too. But the basic angle is about 22.5 degrees, which is half of 45. So if you're going 90 degrees here, okay, and you go to 45, and then half of that is 22.5. So you're spitball. I mean, you're guessing, but it's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. Now with this item, you don't need, with this blade, you don't need to sharpen both sides. You just need to sharpen the one side. So I just want a flat surface here so that when I put these logs together, there won't be that much air that comes through. And I've got a knot right here. May have to, oh, that might come off. Yeah. Now this log here is a little bit wet. But as you can see, this little tool is tripping it pretty good. All right, well, after that all got done, I got the tarp up. It's really kind of wonky with this type of setup, but it gives me a little bit of wind block. And with the fire that's going to go right here, the wind is going to come through here and it's going to blow the smoke that way. I know this because I used to have a fire pit here before. This is the Mora Garberg, just about the best knife for igniting a ferro rod. Yeah, I love it when the fire goes your way on the first try. So the smoke is going away. That's why I built this type of configuration, because I knew that the wind is gonna, I've been in this situation before out here at this campsite, and this is the best place to build something like this because the wind goes from side to side. So it very rarely will it blow the smoke into my face. You might get a little bit of wafting, but it usually goes from side to side. So I got the ribs right here. I'm gonna cut those open and put them on the grate. It's hot, very hot, but it's good. I'm not sure where these ribs are from. I think they grill them out in front of the grocery store there, and they sell them, they wrap them up for you. And they're usually pretty good, but my wife got them, and nobody ate them, so I didn't want to let them go to waste, so I sealed them up with my food sealer, and then I put them in the freezer. Well, they're not fall off the bone outstanding, but not bad. That was pretty good. Bella's chomping on those bones. She's eating good. Well, folks, I think that's gonna do it for this video. Thanks so much for tuning in. I love all of you. I sure do enjoy being with you out here. Bella and I do. Please take care of yourself, and I'll see you on the next video. Just remember, when in doubt, just go camping. Thanks a lot. Bye.